On a sunny morning, two little puppies meet for the first time. Soon, laughter fills the yard as they chase butterflies, tumble through grass, and forget their fears. As the sun sets, they curl up together, learning that friendship is the sweet.
Hello everyone. You want to make such type of videos that I have shown you in this video. If you want to make such type of videos, this is the right video you are watching. So first of all, what we need is I have used three AI tools to generate this video. The first one is the Chat GPT, the second one is the Grok, and the third one is the AI Studio. So the Chat GPT will be creating the script for all this. The Grok will be generating a video for all my scripts, and the AI Studio will be generating a speech of all these stuff. So let's start with that. So what I need to do here is I need to, like, if I'm going to create a video of two puppies. So in Chat GPT, I will be write a story of 50 words between two puppies. Chat GPT will be giving me this story. So the chat, after the story is been given, then what we have to do is I need to divide this story which Chat GPT has given me of the like two puppies. I need to divide it in three scenes. You don't need to worry anything. I will be like copying this all prompts into my description. You can check into my description and just copy paste over here from there. So after the Chat GPT has given me this like story, I need to divide it in three scenes, and I want that each scene should be having a camera movements, descriptions, and all the characters should be a 3D animations like modern Disney or Pixar films. So the chat, I will be putting then this prompt to my Chat GPT, and the Chat GPT will be giving me the prompts of all the three scenes of this story. So now what I have to do here is I need to just copy this first scene 1, then I will be going in grok.com. So the Grok, and then I will be clicking on imagine, and here what I need to do here is I need to click over here, and I need to click on generate a video, and what I need, which size video I want to have. I want to have a landscape video, I want to have a portrait video. If you want to have a landscape video, then you have to choose this 16:9, and then you have to give the prompt over here. Like, I need to just paste my scene 1 over here. So once the scene is being pasted, you need to click on this arrow button, and the Grok will be generating a video for the same. So the Grok has generated a video of scene 1. So this will be a video, and it will be having some noise also, some audio also. So what I need to do here is I need to just click on these three dots, and I need to upscale this video so that it can have its full width and height. So once the upscaling is been completed, I need to download this video. So the scene 1 is being downloaded. Now what I have to do is, here is a very important thing you need to do over here is you need to just move your cursor to the end of this video. And so you need to do right click over here, copy video frame. Why it is important? Let me show you that. Just you have to click on copy video frame. You need to go back, and after going back, you need to paste that video frame over here. You need to do just Control V. So once you have done with the Control V part, so then the Grok will open that last scene onto your screen. So this was the last scene of my video 1 of the scene 1. So now what you have to do here is you need to copy the scene 2 from here, and you need to go to Grok, and you need to paste it over here. Why we have copied the last frame of scene 1. Basically this is a scene 2 video which we are going to generate now, but we want that the scene 2 will be started from the last frame of scene 1, so that my video, the scene 1 and scene 2 should have a continuous video. It should not become like it should be in a continuous manner. Okay, so the scene 1, wherever the scene 1 is being finished, from there only scene 2 video will be started. So we need to just click on this arrow button, and it will be creating a video of scene 2. Okay, though, so this way the scene 2 video is also been created. What I need to do here is again upscale this video. I need to download this video, then I have to just pause it in the on the last frame and just right click and copy frame and repeat the steps, the same step for the scene 3. So in this way my all AI videos of scene 1, 2 and 3 will be created free of cost, free of any watermark, and an AI generated videos totally free and without watermark. So next thing is, after downloading all these video, you need to have you need to use an video editing software to just club up all these videos. So in my case I am using Camtasia. I have just downloaded all these videos. I have just like plus import media. I have downloaded all these videos, so I need this 3 videos which I have generated through Grok, and I have downloaded this. And if I am going to just play it, so this will be the video that is being generated with the help of Grok. So this is the second video which I have generated, and this will be the third video which is being generated. So the next part is you need to have some narration onto this. You need some background voice with some storytelling that there are 2 puppies, etc. So for that what I need here is I need to just have I will be just using a tool that is named as Google AI Studio. So with the help of AI Studio, I will be creating I will be generating a voice narration of this video. So but before that I need to go to Chat GPT, and I have to give a prompt over here is that I need a generation of these 3 scenes. So first of all I need to check that how much second my video is here. It is of 17 seconds. So I will give a prompt over here that my generate a narration of these 3 scenes in English of 17 seconds. So the chat GPT has given me the narration for that also. So what I am going to do here is I need to go to aistudio.google.com. You need to click on a single speaker audio, and here is a multiple voice of male and female. There is a good female voice with this name, so I will be selecting this. And I am going to paste this narration over here, and just I will be clicking on a run control. So just after completing it, you can just download this audio from here. And after downloading this audio, you need to come to again Camtasia, my editing software. So I need to just import that audio into my this files. So this is the audio. So open. So
Soon, laughter fills the yard.
I think I need to just pause this, and I need to just drag this audio into my this video frame, and just if I'm going to play it.
On a sunny morning, 2 little puppies meet for the first.
So what I need to do here is I need to silence this audio, the audio which is being like played with the video. So I need to just I need to silence this audio, and I need this narration to be played. So if I'm going to click
on a sunny morning, 2 little puppies meet for the first time. Soon, laughter fills the yard as they chase butterflies, tumble through grass.
So here is my totally AI generated video with an AI voice. I hope you like my video tutorial. If you like this, do subscribe to my channel and just like and save this video. Thank you.